well, just done cleaning up here, and got really excited, fire this thing up, and go on a little cruise, but it just started fucking downpouring. Son of a bitch. God, that's just my luck. Well, we're going to have to put that off for another day, I guess. We will make sure this thing's all back together. I used to have a hose where I could run the exhaust out the window here, but I don't know where that went. I don't really feel like it now anyway. Dang, that's some poop. Well, we can